Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot using 3 fingers swiping down. First, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I would like to go to Google Chrome page and I would like to take a screenshot from this page. So for taking screenshot using 3 fingers, just swipe with 3 fingers along the screen. Swipe down like this. Screenshot will be taken. Once again I show it. Screenshot is taken. So if you want to locate the screenshot file, go to Files folder in your phone and click on Internal Storage, click on DCIM, click on Screenshots, and at last you will find the latest screenshot. This is the screenshots that I took using 3 fingers swiping down. So in this way you can easily take 3 fingers swiping down screenshot and also locate the file in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.